Hello, in this tutorial I shall guide you through the steps to install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC on your Windows 11 PC. Step 1. Download and start installation. Open your favorite browser and search Reader Download. Click the first link from get.adobe.com reader. Uncheck all optional offers. Click Download Acrobat Reader and run the downloaded.exe file. When prompted, click Yes to allow changes to your device. Step 2. Complete installation. Adobe Reader will download extra files and install automatically. Once installation is complete, click Finish. The Acrobat Reader app will open and a desktop shortcut will appear. Right-click a PDF file open with choose Adobe Acrobat Read. Now you can open, sign, and annotate PDF files easily. Now you have successfully installed Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows 11. You can easily view, sign, and edit your PDF files anytime. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.